Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is binomial theorem. Now our question sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r ncr into 1 plus r into log 10 base c by 1 plus log 10 power n base c power r is equal to. Okay, now log a power n means n log a. Now here 1 plus, put 1 by 1 plus n log 10 base c is equal to x. Okay, now total expansion sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r ncr. Now 1 plus r log 10 base c into x power r into x power r. Okay, now here multiply with x power, here two terms is there. Now sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r ncr x power r plus sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r ncr into r into log 10 base c into x power r into x power r. Okay, now ncr can be write now n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. ncr can be write now n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Now this expansion value r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r ncr x power value 1 minus x power n. Okay, now 1 minus x power n plus sigma r is equal to 0 to n, r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r, okay, n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1 into r into log 10 base c x power r. Now r cancel, r cancel. Now here common with nx log 10 base c is common, minus nx log 10 base c is common. Now here x value is 1 by 1 plus n log 10 base c. Okay, now 1 minus x power n minus nx log 10 base c, log 10 base c. Now sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 power r minus 1. Now here minus 1 common means minus 1 power r minus 1 n minus 1 c r minus 1 x power r minus 1, and here also x common, x power r minus 1. Okay, now here total expansion is 1 minus x power n minus 1. Now 1 minus x power n minus nx into log 10 base c 1 minus x power n minus 1, 1 minus x power n minus 1. Okay, now x value, now x is equal to 1 by 1 plus n log 10 base c. Now here substitute is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus n log 10 base c means now n log 10 base c by 1 plus n log 10 base c power n minus n log 10 base c by 1 plus n log 10 base c. Now here 1 minus x value means n log 10 base c by 1 plus n log 10 base c power n minus 1. Now here bases are equal, power should be added. 1 plus n minus 1 means that value is equal to power n. Now n into log 10 base c by 1 plus n log 10 base c power n minus n log 10 base c by 1 plus n log 10 base c power n. Now here both are same, that value is equal to 0. Therefore option 4 is the correct one. Next one, if x is nearly equal to 1, then mx power m minus nx power n by m minus n equal to. Now here x is nearly equal to 1. Now let x is equal to nearly equal to 1 plus h. Now h is nearly equal to 0. H is nearly equal to 0. Now x is equal to, you take 1 plus h. Now here m into 1 plus h power m minus n into 1 plus h power n 1 plus h power n by m minus n. Okay, now 1 plus x whole power n nearly equal to 1 plus nx. Now x square and higher powers neglected. 1 plus x whole power n equal to 1 plus nx. Now here 1 plus x whole power n. Now m into 1 plus mh minus n into 1 plus nh by m minus n. Now multiply with m plus m square h minus n minus n square h by m minus n. Okay, now m minus n. Okay, now m minus n. Now m square minus h common plus h common. M square minus n square by m minus n. Okay, now m minus n in plus h into m plus n into m minus n by m minus n. Okay, now here m minus n is common. 1 plus h into m plus n by m minus n. Okay, m minus n cancel. Therefore, this value is equal to 1 plus h. Now 1 plus x whole power n equal to nearly equal to 1 plus nx. Now 1 plus nx nearly equal to 1 plus x whole power n. Okay, now 1 plus h whole power 1 plus h whole power m plus n. 1 plus h whole power m plus n. Now 1 plus h value equal to x. Therefore, x power m plus n. X power m plus n. Therefore, option 1 is the correct one. Next one, which of the following is equal to middle term in the expansion of x plus 1 by x power 2n? Okay, now if n is here 2n is even. Now here n is equal to here n equal to 2n. 2n is even. Therefore, middle term is equal to t n by 2 plus 1. Okay, now t 2n by 2 plus 1. Okay, now t n plus 1. T n plus 1. Now here r is equal to n. Now general term formula. Now t r plus 1 is equal to, general term formula is t r plus 1 is equal to, now NCR x power n minus r a power r. T r plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. Now t n plus 1 equal to t n plus 1 equal to, now 2n cn, now x power 2n minus n means x power n, 1 by x power n, 1 by x power r value in 1 by x power n. Now that value is equal to x power n cancel, 2n cn. Okay, now here 2n cn means option 1 is the correct one. This is the option 1. Option 1 is the correct one. Now, according to option 2 also correct one. 2n pn 1 by n factorial. Okay, now NCR formula. Now NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Now 2n factorial by 2n minus n, n factorial into now n factorial. Okay, now 1 by n factorial into 1 by n factorial into 2n factorial by n factorial can be right. Now 2n pn. Now 2n pn means 2n factorial by 2n minus n means n factorial. Therefore, this can be right 1 by n factorial into 2n pn. Now here option 2. This is a option 2. Okay, now here option 2 also correct. Okay, next one 2n cn. Okay, 2n factorial by n factorial into n factorial. Okay, next here 2n factorial can be right. One into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to so on 2n minus 1 into 2n by n factorial into n factorial. Now here is separate with even and odd terms. Now odd terms 1 into 3 into 5 into up to so on 2n minus 1 into, now even terms 2 into 4 into 6 into up to so on 2n by n factorial into n factorial. This value 2 into 4 into 6 up to so on to n value. 2 into 4 into 6 up to so on to n. Now 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 up to so on 2 into n. Now 2 power n is common, 1 into 2 into 3 into up to so on n. That value 2 power n into n factorial. This value 2 power n into n factorial, now 1 into 3 into 5 up to so on to n minus 1 into 2 power n into n factorial by n factorial into n factorial. Now n factorial cancel. That value is equal to 1 into 3 into 5 up to so on 2n minus 1 by n factorial into 2 power n. Okay, now 1 into 3 into 5 up to so on 2n minus 1 into 2 power n by n factorial. Therefore, option 3 also correct one. Therefore, now all are correct. Now, therefore, correct option is all are correct. Fourth one is correct. Fourth one is correct.